Alright, what's up guys, my name is Shiju, and in today's video I'm going to present you something pretty interesting for the Beats Studio headphone lovers. I'm going to show you about how to fix the ear cushion problems of Beats Studio wireless headphones. So this is what I use. So this is my premium Beats Studio wireless headphones. This is $379 or in euro. And unfortunately today Apple or Beats doesn't have a solution on how to fix the damaged ear cushions. So I found a solution. So I thought I will share with all the lovers of Beats Studio wireless headphones so that they can reuse their headphones. So so I bought this headphone prior to like 4 years while I was working in Germany. This is quite exciting for the music lovers or those who are traveling and want to watch some movies on their iPad or on their tablets or even on their computers. This is a great headphone, but unfortunately after an year or so the ear cushions can get damaged, and Apple do provide a warranty of an year for this product. Irrespective of any problems which happens during that 1 year, Apple will replace the product. In fact, I also got it replaced for a small problem. There was an amazing support from customer support from Apple. I was basically went there to get it rectified, but by seeing my headphones, they just took it and gave a pretty brand new one for me. So that was pretty amazing from Apple. But unfortunately, they do not have a solution if your headphones or even ear cushions are damaged after an year, right? So I have been using this for last 4 years, and my ear cushions got really damaged, and I was not able to use it ever since it got damaged. So I was finding a solution. I went to different Apple stores in different countries actually to resolve this problem. In fact, Apple don't have a solution to fix these problems. I found something interesting to resolve this problem, so I'm sharing my views on that and solution details. So yeah, let's begin. So this solution has been around for a while, so this is not an official solution to fix this problem. And basically all you have to do is you can find the replacement cushions. So this is pretty much it looks pretty premium, and it's very close to the original one that has come up with the by default with the device. So I found these cushions which is sold by a Chinese seller in Amazon. So these are of pretty good quality. So let's start on how to fix this. First, what we have to do is to remove these ear cushions. So that is very tightly glued in this headphone. So I just got these replacement cushions today. So prior to I received this, I have removed the ear cushions earlier using a fork basically. So basically you can use a very thin knife or a fork. So once it is removed, it is all easy. First thing that we have to do is to clean up these edges, right? So you really wanted to stick the replacement cushions to this device, and you really need that. Alright, these are the replacement cushions that I'm going to use to fix this issue. So these looks pretty premium, and the details of this product is provided in the link below. So also those who are pretty new to my videos, please subscribe my channel, and I will be posting these kind of exciting and good solutions for the gadget world. So please do subscribe to this channel, and like my videos, and share your comments and feedbacks. So I will be happy to hear from you, all of you. Alright, so this comes up with two different types of ear cushions. The first one is obviously we have a little notch here. So this notch is basically, if you have a look on the right headphone, right? There it will have a small little notch here. So the one with the replacement cushion with the notch, it has to be fixed on the right earphone, right? So first we go to check whether this fits in correctly. So you will have to actually adjust it a little. So basically all you need to do is you need to take out this plastic sheet from here, and this is a very high quality gum which is already fixed in there. So once you remove this, you can easily stick it to your headphones. You just need to remove that red little sticker, and you need to stick it here. So let's begin, and let me concentrate on how to actually stick. Alright, so let's try to fix this for the first one. So all you got to do is just to take out this red little sticker from the edges, and you need to stick this into the corresponding headphone, right? So let me remove the sticker from the new ear cushions. So we got to be really careful about it. It comes up with very high quality gum sticked into it. So we got to be careful while removing these stickers. So I just removed it from the first one. So this comes up with a notch here. So this notch has to be in a line with the one on the right headphone, right? So we got to be really careful here. So we got to make it in a line with it, and then we just need to stick it around. So let me try to align it perfectly. Yeah, I believe it's in a line to that notch. And so once you do it, just need to press it all around. No need to hard press it. So, all you need to do is place it in the right location and apply some minimal pressure. So I believe one side is done now. So I'll have to repeat the same thing for the other side as well. So I believe one side is done. It looks pretty good. I'm quite happy that it got the old look back. So let me repeat this same thing for the side on the left hand side as well. So we just need to repeat the same thing. So we just need to remove this double-sided tape from this. So let me find the edge so that we can start removing the tape. It looks pretty difficult to find the edges. So you got to be really careful, because you don't want to remove the tab, double-sided tab below the outside red tab. The first one was pretty easy, but this looks a little tough to remove that tab actually. Yeah, so I just found a small little opening here. That's enough. Alright, all you need to find is a small little opening so that you can take hold of it and remove the outside tab basically. So once you get it, so you can quickly remove it. And now now let's go to the second side and repeat that same action basically. So all you need to identify is here we can find a small little joining here. So this joining should come on the below side or the bottom side of the headphone. So let's do that. So let me take out this and stick it in the perfect position. Yeah, alright. So since this doesn't have a notch, basically you maybe just be a little careful to stick it so we don't lose the position. Basically. Yeah, I believe I got the position finally. So we just need to stick it and apply a little pressure on all four, all around the cushions. So yeah, so this looks pretty decent and pretty premium. So I hope this will resolve the problem that I had with my Beats Studio headphones for the last 2 years basically. So I was basically searching for this solution all around wherever I was traveling to different places as part of my job. So I couldn't find it officially replaced. So now I'm pretty happy that I was able to replace this ear cushions of Beats. So now the important thing is we should not be using this straight away. Or what we have to do is to keep it for 12 hours. So this looks pretty premium again. So I'm pretty happy that I was able to find a solution finally. So this looks pretty brand new again, so I'm really happy that I found this replacement cushions. So the details of that replacement cushion is here I placed down in the description. So please go through it and check out that product. If you like it, you can try it out for your Beats Studio Wireless 2 headphones. So that should work for your version 3 as well, Studio Wireless headphone version 3 as well. So yeah, so I'm pretty happy with the way I was able to get it back, my Beats Studio Wireless headphones, so I could reuse it again. So thanks for Amazon and the seller for sending me these replacement cushions. So I'm really happy about it. Now the important thing is that you should not be using it right away. So you have to stick it for at least 12 hours. So here is what I'm going to do. So this is what it is suggested by the seller as well. So once you stick these replacement cushions, so you take a cardboard box or 2-3 thick books, and you can place the headphone on top of it like this. So this you can keep it for at least 12 hours, then you should be ready to go. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, really happy that I was able to resolve the problem that I had with my Beats Studio Wireless headphones for the last 2 years. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video, and I will be coming up with similar kind of gadget related or tech related videos. So please subscribe my channel and stay tuned, and you also click on that bell icon just near the channel name, so you will get my videos regularly posted without anything missing. So thank you so much again, guys, for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it, and please let me know your comments and feedbacks on this, so I can share my feedback on how does this works. I mean, after get it fixed. So please stay tuned my channel for further updates, and I will be looking forward to hear your feedbacks. And take care, guys. See you in another video. Thank you so much.